Mastering intermediate Python techniques involves leveraging libraries like pandas for data manipulation, using decorators for code efficiency, and implementing error handling to ensure robust automation. These skills enhance productivity by automating repetitive tasks, allowing for more intelligent system operations. Intermediate Python automation involves mastering libraries like pandas for data manipulation and using modules such as OS and sys for system operations. Understanding decorators and context managers enhances code efficiency. These skills enable the creation of robust scripts that automate complex tasks, improving productivity and reducing manual intervention in system management. Automating system tasks with Python maximizes efficiency by eliminating manual labor on repetitive tasks like file management and data processing. It ensures consistency, reducing human error, and providing reliable outcomes. This allows information technology professionals to focus on strategic initiatives, enhancing productivity and innovation in complex operations. Organize automation scripts with functions and modules for reusability and maintainability. Implement robust error handling to ensure reliability in production. Master file I/O operations for data processing, report generation, and resource management. These core Python concepts are essential for effective automation. Utilize the OS and shutl modules to automate file management. Import these modules, then iterate through files in a directory, sorting them by extension. Use shutl.move to relocate files into timestamped folders, ensuring an organized structure. This method efficiently maintains directory cleanliness and enhances file accessibility. Scheduling Python scripts enhances automation by using tools like the schedule library for Python native timing, cron for Linux/macOS, and Task Scheduler for Windows. For instance, automate nightly backups at midnight with cron. 00***/user/bin/python 3/path/to/backup_script.py, or use Python's schedule library to achieve similar results effortlessly. Intermediate automation techniques leverage libraries like Selenium for web automation. Selenium allows browser automation for testing, data extraction, and workflow simulation. Initialize WebDriver to connect to websites, navigate, and interact with elements. Extract dynamic content from JavaScript rendered pages, enabling sophisticated data retrieval beyond traditional scraping methods. Selenium facilitates advanced browser automation for testing and data extraction. Initialize WebDriver to configure the browser and connect to the target site. Navigate by locating elements, filling forms, and clicking buttons. Extract dynamic content from JavaScript rendered pages, demonstrated by an automated login sequence retrieving user dashboard data. PyAutoGUI enables desktop automation by controlling mouse movements, clicks, and keyboard inputs. It's ideal for automating repetitive tasks in legacy applications, simulating keyboard shortcuts for bulk operations, and capturing screenshots for documentation. For example, automate launching an application and typing messages with precise timing using PyAutoGUI's simple commands. The request library streamlines interactions with RESTful APIs, allowing efficient data retrieval and integration. Use GET requests with authentication to fetch data, then parse JSON responses to extract necessary fields. Automate actions by sending notifications or posting data back to services. For example, retrieve weather forecasts and email them using Python's SMTPlib. Regular expressions offer powerful pattern matching for text manipulation. They enable automatic extraction of IP addresses, emails, and data patterns from logs and files. For instance, using regex, you can efficiently find IP addresses in system logs, enhancing data analysis and validation processes. This capability is crucial for automating data extraction and ensuring accurate information retrieval. Automating email handling involves using SMTPlib to send alerts and reports directly from Python scripts. With imaplib, connect to mail servers to retrieve and process messages, enabling automated responses. Implement business logic to auto-respond, process attachments, and filter spam, transforming communication workflows for immediate responses and efficient information distribution. Advanced automation projects leverage Python libraries to streamline complex tasks. Automate email handling with SMTPlib and IMAPlib for efficient communication. Transition to document processing using PyPDF2, pdfMiner, and Python docs for extracting, manipulating, and generating reports. These tools enable seamless integration of data into professional documents, enhancing productivity and accuracy in various applications. Python libraries like PyPDF2 and pdfMiner allow efficient extraction of text, tables, and metadata from PDFs. The Python docs library facilitates dynamic creation and modification of Word documents. By merging data from databases or application programming interfaces into templates, you can generate customized reports swiftly, enhancing document processing automation. Pandas and OpenPixel enable seamless Excel integration, automating data workflows. Clean and standardized datasets, aggregate across worksheets, and generate formatted reports with calculations. Schedule periodic tasks to enhance throughput and accuracy, surpassing manual processing efficiency. Utilize the Sudo library for system monitoring. Track CPU usage to identify bottlenecks, monitor RAM for leaks, and manage disk health to prevent data loss. Automate alerts for high resource usage, ensuring efficient system performance and reliability. Identify critical directories for backup, then use ZipFile and Shuttle to compress them with timestamp-based names. Schedule these tasks using cron or task scheduler for regular execution. Implement versioning and retention policies to manage storage efficiently, ensuring data protection and minimizing the risk of data loss. Social media automation leverages application programming. Interfaces for seamless content posting and engagement tracking. Using Tweepy, automate Twitter interactions by integrating application programming interface calls for tweeting and analytics. Schedule posts with Python's schedule library, ensuring consistent content delivery. This approach enhances efficiency, allowing for strategic audience engagement without manual effort. Automating information technology support tasks involves parsing emails to extract requests using regular expressions and natural language processing, creating tickets via application programming interface with automatic priority and category, and executing system diagnostics for logs and metrics. Reports are emailed to support teams, reducing workload by 40%, improving response time by 60%, and achieving 95% accuracy in ticket categorization. Adopt a modular architecture by structuring code into reusable functions and modules, enhancing maintainability. Implement comprehensive logging at various levels to aid troubleshooting. Ensure robust error handling with try-except blocks and informative messages. Secure credentials using environment variables. Maintain documentation standards with clear doc strings. Use version control like Git for tracking changes and collaboration. The Python logging module is crucial for automation scripts, offering a flexible, configurable infrastructure. By setting logging levels and formats, such as info and error, developers can systematically analyze issues. For instance, logs can show a backup process, starting, file compression, and errors like connection timeouts, facilitating quick troubleshooting and efficient debugging. Modern Python libraries like SpaceEye and NLTK enhance automation by integrating natural language processing and machine learning. Use SpaceEye for entity extraction and intent classification, while NLTK aids in text mining for insights. Develop chatbots to handle system queries, providing real-time responses such as CPU usage or backup status, streamlining automation workflows. Explore essential tools for Python automation. Use Visual Studio Code with Python extensions or PyCharm Professional for debugging. Jupyter Notebooks aid iterative script development. Key libraries include PyAutoGUI for graphical user interface automation, Selenium for web tasks, and Pandas for data manipulation. Enhance learning with Automate the Boring Stuff with Python and DataCamp courses. Intermediate Python skills empower the creation of advanced automation solutions, enhancing operational efficiency. Organizations benefit from time savings, error reduction, and scalable workflows through strategic automation. Begin with simple scripts, gradually addressing complex challenges, and expand your automation scope as your confidence and expertise grow. Automation amplifies human potential by eliminating tedious tasks, allowing focus on creative problem solving. Identify a daily repetitive task and automate it with a Python script this week. Start simple to build momentum. Explore libraries and GitHub for inspiration, adapting scripts to your needs. Document achievements, contribute to open source projects, and share lessons to inspire others. What task will you automate first?